Howard from Real Avid. As you guys have seen on the channel, I reviewed some of their tools before. He's going to show us what's new for this year.
Well, we've got a new line of gun multi-tools called Gun Tool Amp. And we launched the whole idea of gun multi-tools about 10 years ago with our first multi-tool, which was called Gun Tool. And since then, we've now developed the whole line. And this year, we got this very clever new approach to multi-tool. So the Amp is a family, and so there's one that works on polymer pistols, there's one for AR-15s, and one for 1911s. What they all share in common is this kind of new architecture, this new platform. And basically, it comes in a really cool holster that in and of itself is a tool, so it transforms into a tool. So we've got this bit driver that locks, and inside are, in this case, a bit driver is relevant for a small handgun, like a polymer kind of handgun. So it's a holster and a tool, but the core part of it has this really interesting architecture. And I'll try to hold that still so we can see it. We've got knives, we've got files, we've got picks, we've got little wrenches built in, and over here we've got a holder with these little micro Allen drivers. So perfect for laser sights. And guess what? Everybody loses those. What do you do with them? Where do you find them? Yeah. We've got a takedown punch in here. And so this is the one for for handguns, for pistols. So we have a similar one for, we'll go with 1911. Same approach. Pop it out of its holster. Set of bits. Pick with wrenches, file, can opener, bottle opener, takedown punch, and same thing as on the polymer, a little set of micro Allen wrenches.
Is that a barrel brushing tool?
And that's a barrel brushing wrench for both the officer model and
the full size.
Yeah, both sides. All right. So sorry about that. I've told this story a few times today. All right. And then the AR-15. Holster has a front sight adjuster, set of bits. It's got a scraper system for the bolt, every dimension on the bolt. The firing pins, the bolt face, between the lugs, in the throat of the bolt, all of those things. The cam pin, it's got a nice knife. This is scraping out the inside of the bolt carrier itself. Punch, takedown, and bolt override. If you've got a brass over bolt jam, you can override, and then a takedown punch. And so all of these, very compact, sturdy. This is a real tool. This is not a flimsy Walmart multi-tool. This is a really precision tool kit. We call it a tool kit that you can wear or attach to a MOLLE system. And so those are our new Gun Tool Amp family of products.
See, that's what I like about that, because when I bought the AR-15 multi-tool, I had to get a pouch for it to put it on my belt. Whereas that already has everything on there.
And it'll stay on too.
It'll clip right on.
All right.
Very cool. Well, thank you for your time.
Thank you, George.